Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you an unboxing of Anker Nebula projector. So we have our projector in here, and first we're gonna open it from this thing. It's kinda hard. Okay, so we have our projector in here. So first I'm gonna take this aside for a moment. In here we have remote with YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and I think it's Google Assistant, and 2 batteries. Okay, so this in depth for a moment. In here we have projector, so we're gonna still leave it for last. And in here we have a cable and 2 plugs. This one is American. Hello, okay. And this one is European. So now we take our projector. So it's kind of heavy. In here we have power on button. I think it's connect to speakers. I don't know what this one is. In here we have HDMI, USB Type-C. Here we have something. Maybe it's to plug it to some kind of stand. And in here we have 2 projectors. Oh, and here we have all the menu. So we have go back. It's probably volume. We don't have anything in here. Okay. So, oh, and we have two. I wanted the second one too. Instructions. This one's in German and this one's in English. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.